Hey guys, welcome back for another Scopecam video. Today we're at Grängesberg and it's pretty cold, a little bit of snow, but yeah, you can handle it. I want to start to say go check out GMOS. I'm gonna let the edit talk for itself, but maybe I hook you guys up with something. And as you're gonna see, my Scopecam is not in the middle. That is something I work on right now. Sorry for that, but maybe you can see anyway if I hit or not.
3. Gjorde det där ont? 3.
Nej.
Nej.
Hop up, adjust during the game because it's cold, and of course I have the L key in the stock because sometimes you just had to adjust it during a game. And I have one question for y'all. Guess how many cameras I have with me or on me during a game? Leave it in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to share. I have a surprise for you all for the upcoming video next time. So be patient. And maybe something really special. Maybe involves the pink color, because I love pink. If you haven't understood it yet. During this day we have a lot of new players in this area, and that was fun because you couldn't guess or see where they were hiding because they wasn't familiar of the area.
Yes.
Sorry for the silence. I just hate when the water drops hit the lens of the camera. And what do you guys think? Should I try and play an indoor CQB game? At least I have a shotgun or some pistols. Maybe I can convert the sniper to CQB. That would be fun. Quick scope, no scope. Yeah, like all the dudes in the Call of Duty.
Ja. jag ser det nu.
That would be pretty fun, I think. At least hard. Level unknown. As a sniper, you don't want to have the color of your team on your arm. You want to have it on your ankle, your foot, or somewhere low. Then it's harder to spot you. As you see that guy, the red color just bounce off the surroundings. That's not good. Yeah, it's good for me, but
Var är kvar? Bakom granen. Ja, jag ser dem.
sorry guys for being so quiet, but this game was recorded in the beginning of the winter 2017. So it's sometimes hard to remember exactly what happened or what's upcoming, or yeah, you understand what I mean, because if I ask you how you did that game, for example, you would have no chance to exactly tell the guys that yeah, I did this and then I did that, and I'm sure I hit you, and yeah, everything like that. It's hard. Sorry, I'm gonna be more. No, that didn't went great. I'm gonna be faster to edit the videos and do some unboxing, some close videos of my L96, my MK23, the camera gear I use. Yeah, actually I'm gonna do my whole gear, because it's different if I use the G18 or if I use the MK23. One thing I remember at this game is that all of the guys in the enemy team told me that they didn't see me, but they did see a dark shadow where I was. So actually they did see me, but they couldn't recognize me because I was just black. Not as the color black, but yeah, you understand. I looked like the shadow. So that was pretty fun though. That guy was so angry at me. That was one of the new guys at this game area, and he didn't know where to find me or look for me.
At least
He just it was that one BB every time. And after the game he just asked me, oh, he told me that he was pretty annoyed, but it was fun, and he shit his pants a lot of times. That was fun to hear. And I did my job great. Look at this pal. Look at this. You can even see the BB bounce off him. That's pretty funny. But I didn't call it. But the second one, it was pretty good to call. Everyone in a few miles did hear that. But he did scream in Swedish. What do you guys think if I should do a Swedish voiceover? That would be pretty easy. No. It's almost harder. But maybe I should try sometime. Here I do some kind of giveaway. I don't know what to call it, but I almost explained Hellfire as a stupid guy. Of course you know how the MK works. Just telling you. Look at this. I give away my baby. Just so we can win the game. Easy as that.
Hej. Jo, jag ser den.
I feel sad for this guy though.
Sorry.
Right in his Googles. But same with he. He told me after the game that he shit his pants, but it was okay. If you're in the game, you have to make sure that you can handle it. Through all those twigs, that's just amazing. Damn. Here I had a little sniper battle. Sorry to say that, but I won that one. And these plastic shields, the BBs goes through them if you have enough power. Just so you people who come there don't think that they can get the BB out of there. So don't hide behind them, because the BB will get through. Some extra. But I hope you liked it, but maybe you can like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, guys. Bye.